we're on Holland America's Noordam, and we are about to check out cabin 1073 on Holland America's Noordam, and this one here is a large interior stateroom. It's on the main deck, or deck 1, and this one can accommodate up to 3 guests. Not an accessible cabin, but it does connect with 1067. Heading on in, you can see that it is indeed a large interior stateroom. There's plenty of space. We can see the connecting door over there. See, this one has a seating area, but it's quite spacious. Even though there's no window, this is a large cabin, certainly larger than normal inside cabins. Taking a look at the bathroom, we can see a shower curtain there. See the vanity, soaps, etc. Bit of space for storage, both on the vanity as well as underneath. And the shower, it's a smaller shower, but that's okay. And that's it. So that was cabin 1073 on the Noordam. Let me know in the comments below, could you see yourself spending time in this suite? Don't forget to like, drop any questions you may have in the comments. Till next time, keep cruising.